I'm so mad right now. You guys have no idea. I need to make sure that this shit is actually recording this time. Second time is a charm. I just filmed this video like 40-50 minutes here filming, and my microphone was off. I need some water. Can't believe my microphone was not recording any fucking sound. Take a deep breath. We're gonna do this all over again and it's gonna come out fucking bomb just like the first time, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a current favorites video. I haven't done a favorites video in quite a while now, so I was like, you know what? I need to film this video, and this is actually the second time I'm filming it, just because the first time my mic was not recording. I mean, yeah, my mic was off, so technical difficulties, YouTuber's life. There you go. Guys, if you're not yet part of our T Squad family, don't forget to subscribe down below so you become part of the fam. It just keeps growing and we are already at 2,000, so I'm super excited to do that Sephora gift card giveaway. So subscribe so you don't miss that out. We're just gonna jump into it because I don't have much time now that my battery's running out, and you know, I'm actually supposed to be out the door right now, but yeah, this video decided not to get filmed, so here we go again. The product I want to talk about is a foundation. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Full Coverage Foundation. I did a full review on this foundation because I really wanted to share with you guys, you know, every single detail. So I will have that up here in the eye and also down below so you don't miss that out. This foundation is full coverage, and the reason why I love it is because it lasts a really long time. It's not going to be super matte on your skin. It's not going to be super dewy either. It's going to be right in between. It kind of adapts to your skin type, whether you're normal to oily skin to dry skin to combination skin. That's the reason why I say that it fits any skin type, just because it kind of suits your skin type. The only downfall to this foundation, I would say, is the shade range. It kind of sucks, but I mean, it's a really, really good affordable foundation. This is actually my second bottle of this foundation, and I am living for it. Also, another downfall to this foundation is that it doesn't have much product in this tiny ass bottle, or maybe I just used too much. I don't know. I use this foundation on a daily basis and it's amazing. It doesn't accentuate pores. It doesn't leave me feeling shiny, oily, anything like that. It actually leaves me looking better as the hours pass by. Hard to explain a foundation, but if you haven't tried it, try it out. It's only $6 and it is amazing. You will not regret it. I have a link down below in case you do want to purchase it. Next up is a primer, you guys. A primer that I never thought I would love. Yes, I know, that's crazy. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. When I got this in BoxyCharm, I was like, ooh, no. That shit says luminizer. It's not gonna work out for me. It's gonna be bad. No, I was so wrong. This primer is by far one of the best primers I have tried ever. It is the best primer ever. It blurs out my pores. It creates a beautiful, naturally radiant canvas for my foundation to go on top. And it doesn't leave me feeling oily, greasy, or anything like that. And when I hear the word luminizer, immediately I thought oily, shiny, but no. It actually makes my foundation stick to my face, and it makes it look really nice. It's really hard to explain, but this is such a good primer. If you haven't tried it, try it out. Let me know what you think of it, because it's amazing. And it's amazing whether you're dry skin or oily skin. I feel like it fits both of best worlds. So try it out and let me know. Also want to give a shout out to the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, another product that when I received up in BoxyCharm, I was like, ooh, why are they sending these illuminating products? And I'm like, no. I was actually ready to give these two away, because when I hear the word illuminizer in, you know, these products, I was like, oh, that's not gonna work out for me. I was so wrong, you guys. This makes my makeup last all day. It gives me that glow from within, but it doesn't leave me feeling oily, greasy, or anything like that. It's also alcohol free, so you don't have to you know, smell that alcohol kind of scent. I feel like when I use the setting spray and this primer, it makes my foundation look so beautiful. It's what I'm wearing today, and I don't know if it's the foundation, I don't know if it's the primer, but it definitely does help any foundation. Is it just like a radiant finish overall? I was so wrong when I thought about oily or shiny when I hear these two words, but don't be scared to try luminizing primers or like luminizing setting sprays. If you're oily skin, try them out. I'm pretty sure you and I have been wrong all this time, but try them out. Let me know what you think. I actually just ordered 2 of these backups. My friend Jasmine gave me a coupon code. It's Ipster40. I don't know if it still works, but I will leave it down below in case you're interested. It gives you 40% off. I actually bought 2 for like the price of 1, so check that out. Next up, I have 2 moisturizers. The first one is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream Facial Moisturizer. This one I use it at night just because at nighttime I want my skin to feel really hydrated, and this one gives it like a hydrating effect. Whereas this is the St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. You know, when I hear the word collagen and elastin, I immediately think, oh, it's supposed to be like super good for your skin and whatnot. This one feels really lightweight on my skin rather than this one. So this one is like a much more intense dry skin moisturizer, and this one, if you're oily skin, I feel like you'll really like it, just because it moisturizes my skin, but it feels really supple and really hydrated, and it doesn't leave me feeling oily, greasy. I hate that feeling. So I'm actually going to go to sleep, then I'll go ahead and use this one, this one is a little bit more on the greasier kind of side. It still hydrates me perfectly well, but this one, you guys, this has been my obsession. If you haven't tried it, let me know. The way I apply this is on my face, and then I drag it down my neck and onto my shoulders, and it just leaves me feeling so healthy. I feel like either one of those products has helped my rosacea a lot because it's not too red and intense as it was a couple months back. I have been loving the Kylie Jenner skin concealers, you guys. If you guys haven't tried her concealers, they are bomb. They remind me a lot of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This one is just a little bit more full coverage than that one, but in the sense that they're both really like they give you like a naturally radiant finish to the skin. This one is very lightweight, but it's still medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it to full coverage. And to me, I find that it doesn't like crease underneath my eyes or anything like that. It's a little bit on the pastier side, but it still gives me a flawless under eye. If you haven't tried this, try this out. I'm actually super excited for the Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer coming up, as well as the KKW concealer. So if you want me to review that, give this video a thumbs up. Next up is the NYX Control Freak Gel. You guys, if you guys have no hairs like myself, I have been letting my eyebrows grow for like 4 months now, and I'm barely starting to see results. But if you have no hairs and you're looking for a good brow gel that'll give you the appearance that you have a little bit more bushy eyebrows, this one is the way to go, as well as it doesn't smudge or fade or anything like that. It actually leaves your brows feeling fuller and in place. So this is a bomb brow gel. Guys, my battery died, so I'm kind of back. I don't really know where I left off, but I think I left off with the highlighters, right? I think so. So next up is the NYX Born to Glow highlighter in the shade Chosen 1 that I actually hit pan on already. As you guys can see, this is a beautiful white gold highlighter. I'm going to swatch it in the back of my hand so you can see. This is a white gold, so I feel like this would look beautiful on like super fair skin tones as well as darker complexions. I do have another one that I'm about to show you right now that is also my favorite. This is the Golden Flower Crown by Wet n Wild. These are both super affordable, and this one is a much more golden one, which I think fits darker complexions. So the one down here is the Wet n Wild one, and then the one up here is the NYX one. So as you guys can see, one is a much more true gold, and then the one on top is actually a much more white gold. So these I have been loving. If you have them, try them out. Let me know what you think. Next up is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze bronzer. This is this one right here. I love this because it's such a big pan. And I just find it really useful. And another one, I do love the shade in this bronzer. I feel like it's not too warm, but it's not cool either. It's like right in between, right how I like it. This one I use it to bronze all over my skin. And then I have mentioned this a million times here on my channel, I have been recently loving the Highlighting Contour Palette by IBY. The contour shade number 2 I already hit pan on. This one, you guys, it's perfect to chisel the cheekbones, kind of make your face look a little bit more well structured and more defined. If you want a little bit more of a chiseled contour, I find that number 2 has the perfect cool tones and the perfect warm in there. It's not too orange, but it's not too red either. It's like the perfect contour shade. As you guys can see, it's amazing. It's the one that I use on a daily. If they do sell this one individually, I am going to be purchasing it because I don't find the full palette to be worth the $42. I just find that I only use this one, so I don't know. We shall see. But these two are my obsession. I want to give a huge shout out to Dominique Cosmetics. I have been loving this palette. I love the top row of this palette. It has been my obsession. It's what I use on a daily basis. You can use mocha to contour if you want a much more, well-defined, structured look. And then you can also use vanilla cream to highlight underneath your eyes. I use vanilla cream to highlight in my inner corner, like on my inner half of my eye, just to kind of brighten up that eye situation in the morning when I'm on my way to work. And then caramel and hazelnut are the shades that I use every single day for work. I will bust that blown out smoky eye, and then I'll just smudge mocha on my lower lash line. This palette, you guys, is amazing. The top row is by far my favorite, but it also has these 2 pops of color. I'm actually wearing Cold Brew on my lower lash line just a tad bit. Kind of looks black though because I mixed in a different shade as well. And then these foils here, you don't even need Fix Plus or like to spray your brush with anything to intensify the pigment. I feel like they're super pigmented. They are foil shadows, like they are intensely pigmented. It does have fallout, but it's very easy to work with, so that's what I love about it. 2 lipsticks, and I believe I have mentioned these before. This is the Dose of Color lipstick in the shade Truffle. This is a nude, but it has more beige undertones to it. As you guys can see, it's right there, and this is a matte finish. And then I'm also going to show you the second one that I have been loving. This is actually in a lipstick formula, and this is the shade Brulee. I actually use this with a darker lip liner underneath, and then this is the one. So as you guys can see, they're both very different. One of them is completely darker than the other one, and then Brulee is a much more true nude, like true to color. Like it's the perfect peachy nude. So I have been loving these, you guys. I use them on a daily for work. Only thing that is my downside to the matte liquid lipstick is that it doesn't last as long as my Jeffree Star formula or my Kylie Cosmetics formula, but it's still a really good lipstick, and I love the shade. So yeah. Thing I want to give a shout out to hoop earrings. I have been digging the hoops. As you guys can see, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. Is that what they say? I don't know. But yeah, I have been digging hoops of like all sizes. I love these huge ass hoops with like a bun, like a messy bun. I have been digging this hair and this, look with the hoops. I just feel like I am the type of girl that I did not grow up having my hair down. Like my mom would always do my hair up, so I kind of like my hair to be up. When it's down, I kind of get frustrated, and I'm kind of like, ooh, I need my hair up. So my hair is usually always in a bun, and that's how I like it, the look with the hoop earrings. So let me know if you're like a hoop girl. Let me know. I want to know. Next up, you guys, is the Bombshell Cosmetica lashes. I have been loving these lashes for so many reasons, you guys. It's the lashes that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. As you guys can see, they are so voluminous and so vavoom that they make my eyes look big when they're actually not really that big. These are actually reusable lashes, and they are handmade. You can use them up to 30 times depending, how good you take care of them. I take care of my lashes like they're babies, just because these lashes are more on the expensive side. They do retail from $15 up until like $25, I believe. Right now they're on sale, and also I do have a discount code with Bombshell Cosmetica lashes. If you use the coupon code Taniaxo at checkout, you do save some money. So use that code, save your money. I am all about the codes, you guys. Like whenever I buy shoes, I use Josephine's Ochoa's code, just because your girl gotta save a buck or two, you know what I mean? Like I'm all about that coupon life. So use Taniaxo at checkout if you do decide to try them out. I love these lashes. I'm actually excited to try these ones right here, just because these are more on the natural kind of side, but they have that like flare wing towards the end. So I'm actually excited to try this on a much more natural look kind of day. And then these right here are so soft, but they're so vavoom vavoom, and they actually fit your eye. Like it says that it suits every eye shape, whether your eye is round, almond, or whatever. And I do find that that's true, and that's the reason why I have been loving them, because my eyes, like, it's very difficult for me to find a lash that actually like sticks to my eye and that makes my eyes look the way I want them to look. And these lashes just make my eyes look big the way I want them to look, you know what I mean? Because most of the time lashes will make my eyes look like this, and I feel like these make them look like that. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna pick them up. Let me know. I really hope I did mention everything. I already filmed this video and my microphone was not recording. Battery died, so then I had to charge it and then come back, so I'm kind of like all over the place right now. But I really hope that I got everything, and if I didn't, well, I'll get it in the next video. But guys, if you guys would want to see more of these current favorites or like a monthly favorites video, maybe you want to see a disappointing part, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of our T-Squad family, make sure to subscribe so you become part of the fam. We just keep growing, and it's crazy because I remember when I was at 0 subscribers and I uploaded my first video and I was super shy in front of the camera. That video is actually not public. I remember I would hide from the camera, or I would always look at like the viewfinder, and it's crazy to see how far I've come and how far I can go if I keep putting in the work, you know what I mean? I don't know. I'm rambling. I'm excited. We hit 2,000 and we're on to the 3K. My goal is by the end of this year, we hit 20K, at least 10K. Like, I want to hit the 10K. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of these products, if you're going to try them out, if you already have them, if they don't work out for you. Let me know. I want to know. I want to be nosy. With that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye, guys.